A pullback of 4.2% in Chainlink is forecasted by June 8 per 30 rates. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Chainlink has risen 6.2% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $7.73. Here come 5 views from analysts. CoinDataFlow expects a move towards $7.82 by June 8, which marks a gain of about 1%. Traders Union sees a path for Chainlink to reach $7.71, implying a move down of 0.4%. According to Digital Coin Price, it could weaken towards $7.45, a downward move of 3.7%. A different outlook from 30 rates indicates Chainlink might edge down towards $7.42, a potential loss of 4.2%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector believes the price may slide to $7.31 by tomorrow, down by 5.5%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. With the outlooks in place, let's break them down numerically. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 5.5% and an increase of 1%, depending on the analyst. It turns out Gov Capital Collector has the highest expected return with 5.5% gain in value by June 8. To sum it up, you could earn between $4 and $55 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, Traders Union has delivered the most reliable forecast, with a 91.7% chance of success. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a common scenario. The consensus perspective places Chainlink at about $7.54. Let's dive into the numbers. Consensus calculations highlight a 2.6% loss in price. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $26 gained. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Chainlink stands close to 78.7%. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. CoinDataFlow highlights an upward outlook for Chainlink. Traders Union indicates that prices could dip further. A drop is additionally expected by Digital Coin Price, reinforcing the downside view. A bearish forecast is also made by 30 rates, expecting losses. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector expects the chart to tilt downward. The consensus result suggests Chainlink could lose ground across this 3-day horizon. So, the takeaway is clear: most analysts project Chainlink leaning lower. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today, we look at them against the outcome. In the end, yesterday's market closed at $7.40. In the end, just 2 predictions had the direction right. Judging by accuracy, CoinDataFlow had the most exact forecast. Let's go deeper into how it played out. Just one analyst's forecast was correct about the candle range. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts topped by CoinDataFlow at 4.2%. And now comes the recap. All forecasts compared side by side. Traders Union displayed $0.37 accuracy, 81.5% forecast probability, and minus 2.9% ROI. See which forecasts match the market movement most precisely. Let's take a quick look at how the expected profitability for tomorrow compares between Chainlink and a few others. Chainlink doesn't reach the top this time, as Zcash shows the best potential profitability of 5.7%. Here we're looking at Chainlink next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. If you find value in seeing several analysts side by side, show your support with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.